Welcome to Pluralsight and this cybersecurity tools course featuring John the Ripper, the open source password cracking tool developed by Alexandra Pesliak and maintained by OpenWall. In this digital age, passwords are still a common authentication method that's being used. Weak passwords can be guessed using brute force techniques. These passwords can be used for initial access into a system, lateral movement across systems, and to elevate your privileges. John the Ripper is a tool which has been around for a while. It is fast and supports a wide range of hashes that it is able to crack. It is also highly customizable and provides a wide range of options to permutate password lists. This tool is often used by both red team specialists and attackers. If you are looking to gain knowledge on how John the Ripper can be used to crack various password hashes and the various features that's available within John the Ripper, come join me here at Pluralsight.